Okay, direct object pronouns. What are the direct object pronouns? So the direct object pronouns, I pronomi oggetto diretti, are as follows. Okay, so I have a little chart here. Okay, so if you're if you are talking about the first person singular, you're going to use me. Okay, second person singular is ti. Third person singular can be lo or la, and it's capitalized if it's the formal lei here. In the plural, we have ci, vi, li for masculine loro, and le for feminine loro, or for the formal loro. Okay, for example, Luigi gives the book to Paolo. We'll stick with our example here going forward. So Luigi dà il libro a Paolo. Luigi gives it to Paolo. Okay. Luigi lo dà Paolo. And in this case, il libro is replaced by the direct object pronoun lo. Okay, so because il libro is third person singular and it's a masculine noun, okay, il libro, we replace it with lo. Okay, so instead of Luigi dà il libro a Paolo, it becomes Luigi lo dà Paolo. Okay. You'll get a little bit more familiar with this as we go forward, but I just want to explain what a direct object pronoun is, and then we're going to go over what a indirect object pronoun is, and then we're going to talk about the differences, and then we'll talk about how to use them together in a sentence, okay?